It was an amazing summer's day on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were working very hard. They were all doing their very best to complete their jobs. They also loved to be very clean while they were doing it, which made them feel very cheerful as they went along the line. Percy often has the dirtiest work to do, but he likes to be clean as well as any other engine. That's why washdowns are important to Percy. But Sir Topham Hatt had bad news. Due to a water shortage, he said, no engine will only have just one washdown per day. Usefulness before cleanliness, he said, and left. Percy was very angry. I need washdowns. Gordon only does it to feel important. I am important, Gordon wheezed. I'm an express engine. You're a pouty puffer, said James to Percy, teasingly. Soon Percy was doing his work, but the troublesome trucks were playing their tricks. Soon Percy found himself under the chute, and coal dust went everywhere. Oh no, coughed Percy. I want to wash down. Soon the troublesome truck started to tease Percy. Clickety-clack, don't look back, dirty Percy's on our track. Be quiet, Percy snapped. Percy was still very fuming when he reached Callan Station. From now on, I want to do work where I won't get dirty. Harold the helicopter was there picking up medical supplies. Hello, Percy, he said. And he took off, blowing cinders and ashes all over Percy. Oh, come on! I want to wash down right now. Usefulness before cleanliness, reminded his driver. I want to get useful where I can't get dirty. There's a load of sugar going to the chocolate factory, his driver said. We can take the sugar cars. Sugar, said Percy. That's nice and clean. He was very pleased. Soon Percy set off with his load of sugar. But he didn't know that along the way to the chocolate factory, a leaky truck had spilled oil on the tracks. His driver applied the brakes, but it was no good. Percy just skidded along the oily rails. Oh! Cried Percy. Yuck! I've never been this dirty. He was covered in funnel-to-firebox and sticky, gooey chocolate. Back at the sheds, everyone thought it was very funny. You look good enough to eat, Thomas hooted. Bon Percy, chuckled James. Chalk ice on wheels, chipped in Henry. Disgraceful, said Gordon. Said a stern-sounding voice. It was Sir Topham Hatt. You have had a trying day, Percy. Yes, sir, said Percy from beneath the chocolate. But you showed us all that usefulness does come before cleanliness. So, you will have your washdown. Oh, sir. And a new coat of paint. Percy just beamed.